There is real gold inside your body. Tiny traces of it exist in human tissue. But surprisingly, gold isn't your body's greatest treasure. Every second, your blood travels through thousands of blood vessels, carrying oxygen, nutrients, hormones, and waste throughout your entire body. Blood isn't just red liquid. It's a complex mixture of plasma, red cells, white cells, and platelets, all working together to keep you alive. Inside your red blood cells is iron. It's part of hemoglobin, the molecule that carries oxygen from your lungs throughout your body. But where did that iron come from? Its story begins billions of years ago, inside massive stars that eventually exploded as supernovas. Those ancient explosions scattered elements across space. Eventually, some of those atoms became part of planets, life, and even you. Yes, tiny traces of gold can exist inside you. But compared with your blood, that gold is almost nothing. Your blood delivers oxygen to your brain, fuels your muscles, protects against disease, and carries vital chemical messages throughout your body.
Scientists can reproduce some blood components, but recreating the complete complexity of natural human blood remains an enormous scientific challenge. Gold can be mined, melted, and stored, but when someone needs blood, no amount of gold can simply replace what their body requires. A single blood donation can save lives. That's why blood's true value isn't measured in money, but in the lives it can preserve. Want to discover more hidden secrets of science? Subscribe to Open Mind, because the universe is full of mysteries waiting to be discovered.